It's gonna last you a day, on a day out on the yacht with your girlfriends. It's gonna last you all night on the boat cruise, dancing in that party. Yes, it's gonna look good in pictures without doing the most. It's not heavy, it's lightweight, and it's quick. Greetings, I am BeautyETC. I'm a makeup enthusiast, I'm a makeup artist, and I love all things beauty. I am so delighted to have you guys here. Today we're going to be learning how I achieved this face. And when I say quick, it is quick, and you're still looking fly, because you know what? You want to look good in your pictures, right? You don't want to look like some bomb after spending all that money on your hotel, your flight, your boat, however, your gas, however you got there. You want to make memories, good memories. And trust me, you don't want to be looking like a paste face on those pictures. So in this video, we're going to be exploring three major items, three major makeup products that I use to achieve this look. If you want to know, let's go on to the next slide and get jiggy with it. Right, so this is the face, bare, washed, moisturized, sunscreened, all of that. Okay, so because I'm aware that not all products work for everybody, I have introduced this series for you to pick and choose what works for you. Two primers to begin with. Like I said, the skin is already nice and prepped and ready to go. I have two primers. This is the NYX Bear With Me primer. I won't say it's a dupe for the Milk Hydro Grip, but it's pretty similar. It's the same concept, gel-like primer to hold your foundation in. All right, and again, I want to stress that I have combination skins. This is my Maybelline Matte Poreless Primer, right? Yes. So it's for mattifying the skin, and it's also for blurring the pores on your skin. So we're going to be using the Matte Poreless by Maybelline in just the T-zone area. Once more, I have forgotten my mirror. That's what the NYX Bear With Me looks like. Clear, I hope you can see it. Green like the Milk Hydro Grip primer. I'm gonna use my mirror right here, and on the outer perimeters of the face, and just press it in. This is also pretty good. NYX makes pretty good product. Next thing I'm going to do is to color correct. And of course, if you've been watching, you know that I like to use the Juvia's Place Nubian 3 palette, the coral palette. Looks like that. And I'm going to get my brush to apply this. I have some discolorations on the sides of my face, here and here. I have some darkness over there, so I'm going to try and address those issues. I also have a little bit of shadow around my nose and under my lips. I'm going to be using the Sephora 70.5 brush. Okay, I think this is the baby Sephora 70 brush. I thought I could use this for my whole face, but it's too small, so nah. All right, I'm going to be using these two colors. I hope you can see these two colors right there to color correct. I use them together. I mix them up on my face, get a good amount of pigment on the brush, and I get to work. Just three items, but they are, trust me, the star of the show. First, I will go into my concealer. I'm going to use 31st, which is much brighter. Okay, and we're going to go right there. We're not going to go directly under the eyes, we're just going to go right there, just like so. And then we're going to go into 42. This concealer dries very quickly, so you don't, it's not like Juvia's Place or the Too Faced concealer that you can put there and say I'll be right back. No, you can't be right back with this concealer. You just have to work fast, baby. Damp sponge, damp. I got these sponges. Got the sponges from the dollar store, or should we say the $1.25 store right now. All right, so let's move fast. We're going to just do the regular schmegular. Blend this in. We have no time to sit down and chat, no time for tea. Okay, it dries quickly. When they say this is matte, it is matte. I want to say that to me, okay, maybe to others would like to say otherwise, but to me, this is not, the coverage is not full. It's not full coverage. It's not heavy at all. And it's not full coverage. As far as BeautyETC is concerned, it's not full coverage. So for me, I like to go in again with a second coat because it just doesn't give me the kind of coverage that the NYX serum concealer would give me. Because again, this is for summer. I don't want it too heavy. That's why I opted for this particular concealer, because you can always build it up. You know, it's still a thin consistency, very thin consistency. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go into the next star of the show, which is the Superstay Maybelline powder foundation, and we're going to apply this with a brush right where we applied the concealer. I'm using this Kala brush. It's dual-ended. I love this brush. I love dual-ended brushes. Leave a comment down below if you love dual-ended brushes, because I do. And we're putting that right on top of that concealer to set it. That's going to further increase the coverage right there. Okay, I'm gonna put that everywhere that I put concealer. Okay, I'm going now to the next star of the show, and we're going to change brushes. This is the Morphe M439 brush. Very dense, very dirty, I know, but very loved. This will deliver coverage wherever you need it. We're going into the CoverGirl Full Spectrum Matte Ambition Golden Tan Powder Foundation, and we're going to put this in all the places that we did not put any product, and you want to press. We're pressing in, okay? Press in. This is the moment, okay? And it's going to cover. I'll show you. Do you see that coverage? Compared to this side of my face and this side of my face, the coverage is absolutely there. Absolutely there. And see that I am pressing in, okay? I am pressing in. This brush delivers. This is the end, basically. If you don't want anything else on your face, you want some lip gloss, you can go ahead. I'm going to do a little bit of, you know, I'm going to finesse the look. I'm going to go into this iconic London spray because it has glitter. I mean, well, not glitter. It has glow particles in it. I'm going to spray my face. Into this MAC Surprise Eyes warm eyeshadow palette. Looks like this, and this is what it looks like inside. It's really great to Cosmetics. I just don't know what happened to them. I think they kind of just fell off the bus. Leave a comment down below if you have anything to say about MAC Cosmetics, because it looks like people just left them in the, like people just ran off and left them in the dust, you know? So my lovelies, this is the conclusion of the look. This is the face. I went ahead and finished the look off camera, not to waste your time. I didn't do anything major. I just wanted us to focus on the face, the makeup, the items that I used, the stars of the show. Remember, the concealer and the 2 foundation powders. So a lighter foundation powder for under my eyes, and my skin tone, my color foundation, powder foundation for the perimeter of my face, and of course the concealer in the T-zone area, the middle areas of my face, and everything powdered together. Of course, if you want to, you can use a spray. This face is guaranteed to last through the sun and through the day and through the night, boo-boo. Night out with the girls, a day on the yacht, a day in the beach with the boo-boo, and all of that good stuff. If you enjoy this content, I would endeavor, or I would ask you to please do 1 or 3 things. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Leave a comment in the comment section below. I love to hear from you guys. Or like the video. I will see you in my next video. Thank you for your time and thank you for watching.